channel. If you're new, my name is Marie. For today's video, I am going to be doing a back to school 5-minute makeup look. This video was highly requested, and I am still taking back to school requests for my back to school series videos. So if there's any videos that you all would like to see here on my channel relating to back to school, just simply let me know down in the comment section. Starting off with primer, I am going to be using the Hourglass Veil Primer. Now you don't necessarily have to use an expensive primer. This happens to be one of my favorite primers at the moment. Put some on my forehead, a little bit on my cheeks, my chin, my nose, T-zone area, and just rub it all into my face. This primer is really silky. It's real creamy and smooth. It blends in very well to the skin. And for me, I have combination skin, which means that it's oily in the T-zone area, which is down the bridge of my nose and then across my forehead. And then it's dry, mainly in my cheek areas. I like to do my eyebrows first, and I'm using this $5 ColourPop Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. I love this one in particular because it has a spoolie brush on this side, then it has a brow product on this side. Outline the top brow, and I outline the bottom of the brow. Just gradually fill in the eyebrows. And just outlining the top of the eyebrow and outlining the bottom eyebrow. Gradually again filling in the eyebrow. I'm going to take the opposite side that has a spoolie brush. I'm going to drive the product back and forth to give it more of a natural look. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I'm going to move into my foundation. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. It works well with normally to oily skin. This is one of my all-time favorite foundations. I use this pretty much on a daily basis, daily wear, like for work or for school. I'm going to take some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is going to go under my eyes just to conceal my dark circles. To set and lock in all of my foundation, I will be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This also helps to combat some of that shine and oil throughout the day. I'm going to now dust all of the powder off of my face. For contour, I will be using my NYX matte bronzer. I will be using this Morphe Duo Fiber brush. A little bit underneath the bottom of my chin and right along the jawline as well. To touch along my hairline here. Highlight, this is one of my favorite highlighters. This is by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the Banana Split Highlighter. Just apply this apples on my cheek. Eyeshadow, I have the Maybelline 24K Nude. We'll apply just a little bit because I want to add some color into my eyes. Mascara, I have the Shayla Big Shot Mascara. I absolutely love this. To finish off this look, I am going to be using this lipstick by Artistry, and this is in the shade Sweet Melon. It's a light, so you can apply this in your car or if it's dark outside. I love this color because it looks so natural. Of course, you cannot complete a makeup look without your setting spray. Everything in together using the NYX Matte Finish Spray. After I use my setting spray, I do like to go back in with the setting powder just to make sure everything is nice and matte. And Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna run this across my face just to tie it all in. That concludes my 5-minute back to school makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you check out my back to school giveaway. It's currently going on right now. The contest will be ending on September 10th at 12 a.m. midnight Central Standard Time. I will list that video down below in the description box. Make sure you check out all of the official rules on how to enter so you'll be able to win. I hope you guys found this look very helpful. I hope you guys like this look. Any other videos that you want to see in my back to school series videos, make sure you let me know in the comment section. I will catch you guys in my next one.